it's Paige.
And Bree. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Today we are making marshmallow slime. Okay, so what you do, we already have it done, but we take your marshmallows and you take as many as you want and you put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds.
Well, 45 to maybe a minute. It depends.
Depends on how much marshmallows
So
you
you should always do like, say 30 and then like check it.
Yeah,
It
I do 30 seconds, check it, because our marshmallows actually puffed up and then they went down, but it looks so cool. It was like gonna explode. So we only did like 45 seconds, but whatever you guys want. So now we're going to mix it. Whoa, it's already like slime.
Yeah, but we have to.
And we didn't even
Wait,
like
what's
add
an
things
Oh,
yet.
the cornstarch is already
No,
activated.
not the cornstarch. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is like already slime, and we didn't even add anything yet. Oh, guys, this is edible, so you know. Guys, this is like spider webs. This looks like my gummy bear slime.
Oh yeah, if you. What was I gonna say? Oh, if you didn't see our gummy bear slime,
Go
it will
check
be
that
up.
out.
It's not up right now, but by the time this video
No, it's
is
up. It's up.
Oh yeah. Never mind. I get so confused.
Wait, but guys, look at this. It looks like a bunch of spider
So go
webs.
check it out. It's up.
Like, it looks like spider webs. Like, do you see that? It's like spider web. There's all different strings, and it's like weird. Oh! Hopefully it's just marshmallow.
It's really. Does it taste good?
Yeah, it tastes like marshmallows.
This is more like marshmallow fluff.
Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch. Let me go get a measuring spoon.
Why do you need a measuring spoon? She just poured the whole thing in.
No, because she can bench. So we're gonna use 1 teaspoon for now.
And then
Actually, no, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon. What are you doing? Oh. 1 tablespoon.
That was pretty late, but okay. Whoa, but it's already stick. It looks like the gummy bear.
Oh.
Like when I get sick.
Okay, your
What?
turn.
You put a lot.
No, it like exploded though. It was like.
Is that good?
Yeah. See? It just like.
Yeah.
Okay. It smells really good, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it.
Oh!
That's what happened last time too. Don't eat cornstarch alone. It tastes really
You
bad.
got it all. I got it all over the seat.
Look at my arm. Okay, this is supposed to make it like non-sticky.
And like it's like the not the activator, but it's like it's hard to explain.
So I really want to like just.
It just tastes like nothing because
This is coming together how the gummy bear slime came. Like it just is so weird.
Yeah.
Guys, it's totally edible. Okay, guys, so
It doesn't taste that good.
it's sticky. Did you get a whiff of cornstarch?
Yeah. But like once you play with it, it will get off.
Yeah, mix it more. Oh my god, eating is like
You said that in like the gummy bear one.
well, it's the same. Okay. Now, since it's all kind of sticky, we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil.
And we're using Crisco, but you could use any.
Yeah. And it can even be like olive oil if you want, but we're using vegetable
Why are you putting it in the thing?
so they don't spill it.
Yeah, but put on the I don't know. Yeah.
I'm really scared.
At least if you spill it, it's in.
Okay, so you're gonna put 1/4 of a teaspoon. No. Okay.
For the little kids out there, that's 1/4. which equals to 1 teaspoon. Yeah.
And vegetable oil you can eat. Mom and Dad probably cook with it all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you add a little more to mine? You know what? Never mind. I'll do it. This is cray cray, guys. And then if that doesn't work.
Whoa! It's getting like
Wait, actually, no.
weird.
If that. Okay, if it's still kind of sticky.
Whoa! It's
add
like slime.
just like a little more.
Oh! How did I not taste this in the gummy bear slime? Come on, Chris, go work for us.
I'm just gonna go in with my hands, I think.
Yeah, same. But I have to pull my. Oh,
Oh, sorry, Paige. Oh no, no. Okay. Guys, this is so skicky. Skicky.
Skicky.
Hey, I made up a new word and I like it. You know what? I came up with the word the other day and it was called spill.
Oh my gosh!
It's like spilled milk, but it's spilk.
Bilk.
You spilked your milk. So, whenever somebody spills something, I'm going to call it spilk. Guys, this is annoying.
I wish we could add an activator to this, but we can't because then it's not edible.
And then the funnest part is you prank people with it, so.
Yeah, I pranked my dad last time on the
With the gummy
bear slime. I just started eating it and he's like, don't eat that.
Dude.
Good?
Good.
It's just like marshmallow, like fluff. It's still stretchy.
Guys, I have like everything. I need like more cornstarch.
So good.
You know, can I have some more activator?
Where?
The Hey.
Yeah, but still fun. Wait, one sec.
Oh, it's so hard to.
Here, I'm just pouring anything.
It's gonna feel so weird. Oh my god, that's cold.
Oopsie, sorry. I cut it on your bottle.
Got it on my bottle? Oh, it's fine, whatever.
So good.
Oh, it's working. Thank you, Crisco.
Can you pour some?
Hold on.
Actually, I can. Wait.
Try and touch the same areas, though.
Kneading is the key to all slime.
Just keep kneading, just keep kneading, just keep kneading, kneading, kneading. What
Brianna
do
says
we do?
that the best thing is letting it sit.
Yeah, if it's like not sticky and like liquidy, just let it sit for a little while.
I'm scared to lick this now because it's.
Did I just say not liquidy? What? Never mind. If it's like liquidy, let it just sit and it'll get like this.
Oh! I almost got it in your hair.
I'm gonna put.
You sure this is edible?
Yes.
Oh!
Oh, Paige. No, what the? Oh no. No, help me. Okay, that's good. But I'm making a mess. Oh well.
This is so hard to chew and to. Okay, guys, I think we're done.
I don't.
Yeah, but this was like the gummy bear slime.
Yeah, I think it's a little stickier.
Well, I think we're gonna wrap it up. So now try yours.
I can't.
Ready?
It's too sticky.
Set.
I already tried mine.
We have to do it put together. Ready? Set. Go. That's so good. 1 out of 10. What do you rate it? I give it
I gave it an 8.
a 7. Because it's a little sticky.
Oh, there's an aftertaste. Okay.
Yeah. I
I rate the aftertaste 7.5.
oh my gosh,
You still have a lot of marshmallow in your bowl.
I know, but so thanks for watching.
Make sure to
To
like, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn on post notifications.
So you know
Also,
when we post,
follow our
our
Musical.lys.
it will be in the link. Yeah, the link below. So go follow them, and we'll be making
Us.
Musical.lys together. And yeah.
We have separate Musical.lys and one together. Not really, but
So we're gonna be doing these things where we're giving away
a bunch of different slimes. Any slimes that we make, go check out the video of the slimes we make. And if you like them, then
no. Oh, there we go.
okay. If you like them, then like what word should we do? If you like them,
Comment down below.
then comment down below the word slime time with green hearts, 2 green hearts, and then we will give you the one of the slimes in the video.
And we'll give you a shout out.
Yes.
So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Don't touch my phone.
hard to get off. Oh no, my hands are
My hands are finally clean. Not really.
Mine are almost clean.
Because I got it on the tripod. You have,
Clean.
you have.
Yeah, I know. That's the cornstarch that you got on me. Oh my god! I didn't know you got that much on me.